Conrad ke sangma National President ke National People's Party bot menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ula kentaj mardor ya ki khubor ki bala mi ringkat ka kaipot bau henman jong ka tau James ke sangma ngutenat baka parti kan penyakun da ka mehtap candi sangma haka election Kyrteng samoy sya ka Ïing dorbar thau an ka jela na Gambegre constituency. Kilami ki khubor haka step jong ka arpu pratare ujeliu arja arpu saw baka NPP haka jingpen kre ek election Kyrteng samoy sya ka Ïing dorbar thau an ka jela na Gambegre constituency ka thmu ban penyakun da ka kurim u Conrad ke sangma ka mehtap candi sangma hnrei u James ul persya ya kane ban kwa ban yakun dalade. Kat kum ki khubor u James ke sangma u berdairu MLA berim kat dadengre u bala syarem salet hau rupa marak ka Trinamool Congress haka election MLA arja arpulai ula kwa ban yakun hi dalade haka ni ke election Kyrteng samoy ya ka ba ke election Commission of India kampat penbenai ka tarik. Nakaliang Conrad ke sangma ula ong makam dan kanu-kanu ke Jingïapait haka Ïing ni wat hapok ke NPP. Ula ong bakimi hadu nyaw ne pratli ki Kyrteng ki bala pensngau banya airang na ke NPP haka ni ke election Kyrteng samoy hendrai ondang thau dang wo shwa.
There is no division in the party nor any division in the family. In fact, about a couple of days or 3-4 days back we have met, and in the meeting everybody has, all the party leaders who are contesting, who want to contest, and the names of people whose names are doing the round, even though they may not want to contest or they may want to contest, a different issue, but their names are doing the round. So whoever's name was doing the round, we have consulted everybody, we have talked to everybody, and everybody has confirmed that they are with the party, and whatever decision the party takes, that will be the final decision and they will abide by that decision. So the party has taken a unanimous decision in this, and now the process of giving the ground report from the block level and district level and the regional level is underway, and once that process is complete, then the state committee will recommend accordingly. But let me again clarify that there is no question of any kind of division. We are very much clear that we will work together as a family, and more importantly as a political party, and all the names that are doing their rounds will work together to fight this particular election.
How many names?
I don't know exactly how many names, but if you ask me all the plus and minus, there will be approximately about 7 to 8 names that are in the round. That does not mean that all 7 or 8 of them are actually campaigning in the ground, but people are taking their names, and so all those people, we have talked to them, and everybody has given me the assurance that whatever the party decides, we are with the party. That's fine, we have no problem. We are working together. I have spoken to our coalition partners, everybody is on board, and yes, there could be certain individuals who will make their comments and express their concerns, which is fine. In democracy, it is important to express your concerns. But as a coalition, all the coalition partners have once again reiterated to me that they will continue their support and that we will complete this term of our government.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.